have you been? We missed you on that last adventure again.
I'm in here, and I'm doing okay. I'm sure that I would have just gotten away.
But what do you mean? You're part of the team.
No, I can see that you don't need me.
You know that's not true.
I don't deserve you, now please go away.
Not until I say that you're the mom friend. You're the one we call when someone takes a ball, and you're there to ask us if we're okay. 'Cause you're a true friend. I rely on you when deciding what to do. Then I think it's time I thanked you today.
'Cause I'm the mom friend. I'm the one you call when someone takes a fall. I'll never ask you if you're okay. 'Cause I'm the mom friend. I will care for all them till the orders fall. Well, I know someone will thank me someday. They'll thank me someday. I hope they'll thank me someday. I hope they'll
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe.